My name is Andres, and where does it start? The load calculation. Load calculation starts measuring how much heating or cooling your space actually needs, so you can pick up the right size HVAC system.
How a typical split system works. A split system is the most common type of residential HVAC system made up of two main parts: a outdoor unit or condenser, which contains a compressor and condenser coil. A indoor unit or air handler contains the evaporator coil and blower. These two parts are connected by refrigerant lines. The air filter in a split system has two jobs, which is to protect the equipment. It prevents dust and debris from being pulled into the evaporator coil, blower wheel, and ductwork. Without a filter, dirt will build up on the evaporator coil, reducing the heat transfer, restricting airflow, and eventually causing freeze-ups or compressor damage. The air filter also improves indoor air quality. It removes airborne particles like dust, pollen, and pet dander from the air that circulates through the system. This helps create a cleaner, healthier indoor environment.
Thermostat closes the cooling contacts. Then it sends the 24-volt signal to the compressor contactor in the outdoor unit, the blower relay in the air handler, and then the system runs until the room cools to the set point, and then the thermostat opens the contacts once the set point has been reached.
The function of a filter dryer. The dryer contains a material that absorbs moisture from the refrigerant. Moisture in the system can freeze at the metering device, forming ice blockage, or react with oil and refrigerant to form acids that damage the compressor.
What is the purpose of insulation on the copper lines in the HVAC system? The insulation on the suction line prevents heat gain, condensation, and energy loss, helping the system stay efficient and prevent water damage.
The PVC in our system allows for proper drainage in our air handler, and the P-trap allows for no air to be sucked in through the pipes. So without the P-trap, and the blowers on, air will be sucked in through the pipes, allowing for no drainage until the unit is off. So with that, it would eventually build up and cause leaks from overflow of water. While that unit is on, it would build up quite a bit of water. So with the P-trap, it is necessary to have a P-trap, and why the PVC in our system is crucial to it, because it will allow efficiency to our units. And a condenser restriction causes high head pressure, which leads to inefficient cooling, but could also lead to a burnout on the compressor, which makes it work harder due to the restriction. A restriction in air handler could cause inefficient cooling and could cause the blower motor to fail, especially an ECM motor, which increases the speed due to the restriction trying to get it out.